Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm going to share with you 5 ideas to decorate your boring school supplies. I know everyone have boring school supplies laying around, but these tricks are going to transform them into something phenomenal. If you want to see more videos about school, just check out this playlist right here. It will also be linked down below. Don't forget to comment down below other ideas that you want to see next in my videos. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, turning on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts because I'm going to post there some photos of the new video. Also, go ahead and check out my community tab. If you're ready, let's get started. So for the first idea, I'm going to decorate this very plain and boring notebook. I am sure that all of you have one like this, so grab the materials and let's decorate it. All we need is a notebook, colored paper, marker, plastic sheet, glue, and scissors. Take a paper in your favorite color and start decorating it by using a marker. I decided to go for this really pretty green pastel color, and using a green marker I just drew some dots. But you can definitely use any designs that you prefer. Now just fold it in half. Take a white paper and draw a label on top of it. Since I love cats so much, I decided to do a cat label, but you can definitely do anything that you prefer. Now cut the label and glue it on top of the paper. You can definitely write anything that you like, maybe the subject or your name. I decided to write ILVA Crafts. Now put the cover and the notebook on the plastic sheet. And it's basically done. It was actually so easy and definitely took me about 2 minutes. So you can definitely go for any designs, colors, and anything else that you like. Next, I'm decorating a boring white eraser. I know it's very plain, right? These are the materials: colored paper, an eraser, scissors, markers, glue, and some clear tape. Remove the plastic from the eraser. Now carefully take out the paper and don't throw it away. Take a colored paper and cut a piece in the same size of the paper that the eraser had before, but make sure that it's a bit taller. Decorate it with markers. Cut the paper. Wrap it around the eraser and secure it with some glue. Take some clear tape and put it around the paper just to protect it. And it is done! I love it so much. It definitely looks so cute as it was before. It was the best upgradation ever. This third idea includes your very boring silver keys. For this one, you only need 2 things. Actually 3. Scissors, yarn, and your fingers. Wrap the yarn for several times around your fingers. Take a long stripe and tie it around the ball. Now using the scissors, cut it like this just to give it like a ball, round, fluffy shape. Now wrap it around your keys like this, and it's done. It was definitely the easiest project and it looks so cute on the keys. It just gives a more fluffiness and beauty in your keys. The fourth idea is very simple. We are decorating paper clips. I have a ton of them and I am so excited to decorate them. All we need is paper clips, scissors, colored paper, markers, glue, and some clear tape. Take the paper in your favorite colors and cut 4 circles out of it. Draw on 2 of them, 2 different designs that you like. I decided to go for some kawaii faces because I think that they are pretty cute, right? Now glue them together like this on both sides of the paper clips. Take some clear tape and just to protect it, tape it on the both sides of the paper clips and cut the edges. And they're done! They look amazing, so cute and personalized with your favorite kawaii faces. You definitely should try them out because they look adorable. Last but not least, I'm decorating this very boring clear ruler. I decided to personalize it in a very cute way, but it's also very easy. These are the materials: white paper, marker, ruler, clear tape, and scissors. Take the paper and cut it in the same size as the ruler. Make sure that you're not covering the centimeters. Then decorate the colored papers with your favorite colors. I decided to just do some blue dot and also wrote my name, ILVA Crafts. Put it in the ruler and secure it with some clear tape just to protect the paper. And it is done! It was so easy, it looks amazing, personalized by you, so every time you see it, you'll be happy because it has your name and it has your favorite stuff. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to decorate your boring school supplies. All these hacks and tips were actually so easy, I highly recommend them. It only requires a few supplies that I know everyone has. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these school supplies was your favorite. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts because I'm gonna post there some stories. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!